Hello everyone, welcome to Thailand Warner Beach. We watch Sunshine. Yes, so this weekend's really special. So we left Lopburi and we travelled 2.5 hours to another city called Lopburi. So Lopburi hold a festival every year in honour of King-narai or King-narai the Great, and this is to celebrate his life really, the wonderful things he did for Lopburi and the nation. So yeah, so that's him behind us, or a picture of him behind us. So we've come here today to have a walk around and to find out what's going on. So yeah, so I thought I'd take you with me. So yeah, let's have a good look around after the intro. So see you after the intro. Bye! Yes, as said before the intro, we're in Lopburi. Now Lopburi is a military town, and every year the local soldiers get lent to the festival where they dress up in the traditional clothing of the soldiers of the Narai period. Although this is extra duties for the soldiers, they take this very, very seriously. They don't smile at all, even when they're standing on guard duty at the front of the palace. Yeah, I have to say I was very impressed by the size of the palace, and the palace is sort of split up into various sections of garden. Most interesting. And without exception, this walled gate area also led into another garden, but we were surprised to see that it's got the original cobbles on the ground, or the original stones. Very interesting. I would have thought they would have blocked it up or covered it, but hey ho. This garden was spectacular and very fragrant, and you can notice through the trees there's lights actually hanging from everything, so this will look spectacular tonight when it's dark. My regular viewers to this channel will know exactly what this is. So this is a copy of the Royal Barge Super Hanahong. So yeah, so just a bit of history perspective. The Royal Hanahong, or Super Hanahong, which is this barge here, was actually built during the King-narai period, and then it was then rowed towards Ayutthaya and then eventually into Bangkok, where it remains today. Not this one, because this is a copy, but the original. Will notice there's chandeliers hanging from this ruin. As it happens, the French introduced chandeliers and other bits and pieces from France to Thailand during the Renaissance period, when Thailand opened up trade routes. Although some countries tried to colonise Thailand, they were never successful, but they did manage to have a good trade with Europe. And of course, no Thai festival would be complete without having food concession stands and also places you can buy souvenirs and gifts. Course, traditional music and song performed by the local school. Now that it was dark, we couldn't resist to go back to look at the Super Hanahong, how it was all lit up. Spectacular, very, very beautiful. Some karaoke performed by a monkey.
กับนักร้องได้นะครับด้านหน้าเวทีเลยนะครับมาเลยฮะสามารถมาทักทายกับนักร้องได้นะครับเชิญเลยครับ1ผลงานเสียงเพลงครับ
She obviously sings for tips.
ส่งให้นางเอกเลยครับขอบคุณครับมาจับมือหน่อยนะ
Introducing Thailand's one and only Daredevil Monkey.
พบกับความสามารถของกาโมลีลาการกระโดดลอดบ่วงมีดนับ1 2 3กระโดดลดวงมีดยับนี่แน่เข้าไปแล้วกลับมาแล้วครับเป็นไงฮะลีลาการกระโดดลอดวงมีดของกาโมครับ
Come on now, don't be shy. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. Some emails from viewers asking why don't I cover Thai sports on my videos. So here you go, sports fans, some Muay Thai boxing for you. If any of my viewers aren't into fighting, I suggest they move on from the next part. Yeah, I do confess at first, I actually thought they would play fighting. Now we were a few metres away from the stage and we were using our zoom cameras, but you could actually hear the guy in the red shorts knee make contact with the boy's face in the brown shorts. Yeah, we then took our seats for the main show. So this show was for an hour long. There was no subtitles or surtitles. It was entirely in Thai. However, they used the backdrop of all the ruined buildings to project films and pictures on. So it gave you an idea of what was going on. So the whole show was easy to follow. And the way they used the lights and everything else and the sound was just spectacular. So next year, if you're in Thailand during February, yeah, look this festival up. Well worth a look.
สำหรับ part of the show where King-narai enters the scene.
ทูตจะมาดอวยสังเวยพัดแล้วนอบน้อมสะดุดี
เวลา2 นาฬิกาวันพฤหัสบดีแรม2 ค่ำเดือน12จุลศักราช1018ปีวอก15 ตุลาคมพุทธศักราช2199สมเด็จพระนารายณ์เป็นเจ้าขึ้นครองราชสมบัติผ่านพิภพกรุงศรีอยุธยาขณะพระชนมายุได้25 พรรษา
Well, thank you for watching this video on Lopburi and the Festival of King-narai. Yeah, it was really interesting. I really enjoyed this. So yeah, if you're in Lopburi this time next year, yeah, go look it up. It's well worth a visit. It's very colourful. Everyone dresses up in traditional clothes. Yeah, it was really great. Sound, sights, really fantastic. Yeah, so I'm going to leave you with some pictures now, and I will see you on my next big adventure. Oh yeah, please get me up to the 500 subscribers. In the next video I've got a fantastic giveaway for you all, so yeah, we can talk about that then. So yeah, so keep plugging away, keep helping me get up to these numbers. Thanks, bye.